The term designer is used to indicate an analog, a compound similar in its action to another compound, but different in its structure to circumvent legal problems in the storage, distribution, and sale of street drugs. Clandestine laboratories manufacture new drugs by altering their chemical structure of a known drug, either legal or illegal. Since a substitution of the base leads to many products, a large number of compounds are possible. These drugs are incredibly cheap to produce. Some of them are toxic than the original drug. The compound so produced are called designer drug analog are not illegal even though the parent compound is officially restricted. These synthetic chemicals can be safely sold till they are brought with a purview of drug control regulation. Designers drug classified into four main groups: stimulant, depressant, narcotic, hallucinogen. Stimulant, amphetamine group; depressant, methaquinone group; narcotic, opioid group; hallucinogen, phencyclidine group. Stimulant, depressant, narcotic, hallucinogen. In stimulant, amphetamine; depressant, methaquinone. 3. Narcotic, opioid; hallucinogen, phencyclidine. Drug based on the amphetamines chemical structure include MDMA, MDA, DOM, and others. At a moderate dose, this drug produces hallucinations similar to LSD, known on the street as ecstasy. MDMA has been associated with a sudden death through cardiac arrhythmia. An acute chorea disorders can be seen. Hyperthermia with the seizures or muscular activity leading to rhabdomyolysis and potential acute renal failure are relatively common. Hypertension with the complaints of chest pain are common, but unlike cocaine, rarely led to ECG changes. Other complications include cerebral hemorrhage and death. There are not many analogue of drug of the methaquinone group. Complications from their use include slurred speech, staggering gait, altered perception, respiratory depression, coma, and death. Narcotic analogue of the opioid include fentanyl, meperidine, pethidine. Overdose of pethidine causes mydriasis, tremors, hyperpyreflexia, delirium, myoclonus, convulsion. After intramuscular injection, its action is for 2-3 hours. It is a readhesive and emphorient. Tachycardia is seen. After intramuscular injection, also corneal anesthesia may be seen. Dry mouth and bettered visions are also encountered. They produce analgesia, euphoria, drowsiness, respiratory depression, convulsion, coma, and death. Analogues of the phencyclidine group cause illusion, hallucination, impaired perception, bad trip with their consequences. Thank you.